I'm just recording a to-do list today. I just make a searchable drop-down list for my accounting system in Excel. So let's say basically that is what I want to do. So I just use the English version first. Okay, so enter. Let's say if I enter an item that is based on the transaction type. I have 3 types of bookkeeping transactions: purchase, revenue, receiving money, and interbank transfer, which is abbreviated as P for payment, R for revenue, receiving money, and B for bank transfer. When I change the type, I can select the account that belongs to purchase. Let's say if I change to revenue, then I have another set of revenue account. But in my original version, it's not searchable. Okay, so it's not searchable here. So that's why I create another one. So I just test this. If I select the language, let's say for Chinese, and let's say if I want to select, actually it should not be the customer name, it should be something like description, account, something like that. Then if it is a purchase, let's say if it is a purchase, then I can enter some Chinese if I have cash. Okay, if I enter Chinese, and when I press this, then I have the text, the cash in Chinese to select. And if I change to revenue, let's say if I change to revenue, and if I have the income, let's say the Chinese word income. And when I press search, I have the income in Chinese. Okay, and let's say if I want to change the language back to English, and I change the transaction type to P, press cash. When I press search, then I have cash and deposit. When I change it to R, oh sorry, I can't have cash because usually I get income. Then I got income. Also in another row, let's say if I change this one to R, and when I search income, when I press this one, I have all the income. And let's say if I change it back to Chinese, when I say, okay, the cash one, then I can have all the cash in Chinese. Okay, so that's basically what I want to do. I just put it down into my to-do list because it's quite complicated.